Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you all are doing well. So let's see today's problem, decimal equivalent of binary linked list. Okay. So what the problem says is, we'll be given a linked list, right? Okay. For example, this is, one. Okay. So this is a linked list given, which will contain the binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. What we want to do is, we want to find out the equivalent, by decimal equivalent of these binary numbers. For example, if this is the binary representation, right? So what we're going to do, what we do generally to convert the binary representation into decimal. So we do this, right? 0 into 2 raised to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. Okay. This way we do, right? So what is what will the result? 0 plus 2 plus 4, right? Which is nothing but 6. Okay. Which is nothing but 6. But we cannot use this approach because, for example, right? In order to take care of this, right? So what we generally do is we have a power function 2 raised to the power I, right? This I is nothing but 0, 1, and 2. It will be this, right? Okay, but this won't work because the numbers, the binary numbers can be huge, right? Which can result into a big I, and which definitely which will have a buffer overflow. Okay, which will result into wrong answer. So we cannot use this inbuilt function power. So there's another less intuitive approach. So let's say, for example, this is the binary representation we have. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to have a result variable, okay, which will initialize with 0. Now what we are going to do is, we are, for example, let me write the formula itself. Result into result left shift by 1. Okay. Left shift by 1. Okay. Plus node dot data. Okay, whatever we are going to iterate the nodes and we are going to add like that. Okay, so if we see, right, what is result now? Result is nothing but, if in the binary representation it is 0, right? It is 0. Now what we're going to do, this operation we're going to do, right? Left shift 1, result left shift 1. So after doing this operation, it will still turn out to be 0. Okay, result initially it was 0, right? We have initialized here. After left shifting, it still results into 0, right? Plus node dot data. Plus node dot data we have to add. Node dot data is what? This is node dot data plus 1, right? So it will turn out to be 0, 0, 1, right? So now result contains 1. Okay. If the decimal equivalent, it contains 1. Okay. Now we will iterate through this node, right? So what we're going to do, result left shift 1, right? Result left shift 1. So result left shift. So what result contains now? It contains 1, right? So if we do this, right? Left shift 1, what it will be? 0, 0, 1, 0, right? We're left shifting this 1 by 1 place. Okay. So 1 will come here. So 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now and then what we're going to do, we are going to add node dot data, which is nothing but this, right? This 1, right? So this is what? 0, 0, 1, 0 is 2, right? 2. 2 plus 1. Okay, which is 3, which becomes 3. So result now contains 3. Okay. Now we'll come on to this node, right? So what is the result contain now? It contains 3, right? So what is the binary representation? 3, right? Now what we're going to do, left shift by 1, right? Which will push this by one places, right? So 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Okay, which is nothing but it is 6, right? 6, 6. Okay. And what we're going to do, plus node dot data, right? Plus node dot data, right? So plus 0. So this plus 0, right? Which is 6. Okay, which is 6. So we got our answer as 6, right? 110, right? 110. What is the decimal equivalent? 6, right? Which we have got here, right? So this approach we are going to follow. Okay. So let's quickly see the code. Okay. So this is a code, Java code. Let's quickly see this, right? Here we are iterating through the linked list, right? And here result will be initially 0. And then what we are doing? We are doing the left shift, right? Left shift by 1. And then, yeah, so here mod, because the number can be very large, that is why they've asked us to do the mod. Since the answer can be very large, answer modulo 10 to 7 should be printed. So wherever the operation can result into a big number, we have to do mod operation over there. So this operation can result into big number, so we are doing mod over here. And then the final result also, the final after adding the head dot data, right? So we're doing mod here as well. Okay, mod here as well. Okay, and then simply what we're going to, we are iterating to the next node and doing the same operation, and finally we are returning the result. So this is a solution with C++ code as well, which is almost same. Okay, so this is accepted. Okay, and then let's quickly see C++, which is almost same here. Result, we have long unsigned result, right? And then all the operations are same here. Okay, all the operations are same, and we are simply returning result. So this is a solution. I hope you have understood the solution. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.